buddy. Woo! What's up? What's up, Moto fam out there? So this is a video about, do it your own damn self. So I end up going to my local motorcycle shop to go ahead and get, one of my rivets fixed on my Hindu exhaust right here. So you can see right here, it went on and popped on off, right? So I went to YouTube University and figured out how to do it my own self. So when I went to the shop, I couldn't believe it. I thought they was gonna charge me like no more than $10. So after he drilled the little hole, I took the can off myself and went over there. Drilled the little hole, popped in rivet, and I said, how much owe you? He said, $40. I was like, oh my gosh, $40 for one little single rivet. He went on and told me, well, you're paying for my education, and you're paying for the tool, and you're paying for the knowledge. I said, okay, here's your $40. So I popped off again, went back to him, and he went on and just put it back in. So this time it popped off again, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and purchase the tool myself. Went on YouTube University and learned how to use a rivet gun. All right, so what we're about to do is take off this can, and I purchased a rivet gun, $20. This is it right here. Came with some instructions on how to use it. Came with different size rivets, 2.3, 4.0, 4.8 millimeter. And here's the rivet gun right here. Look at that, different tips on the end. So what we're about to do is pop off this can right quick. All right, got my spring puller. And they should be right about here. Take it down. See them? Right there. Go ahead and pop them suckers on off. And one more. Go ahead and release a little mounting bracket back here. Got that on off. Slide this on up here. All right, now we can just go ahead and slide, wiggle. Come on, baby, come on out. Woo! Got that sucker on off. And see what I can do. Could go ahead and put a little screw in there, but don't want to, right? I want that sucker on there because I don't want my carbon tip to blow off from the awesome, mighty Superbike R7 power that I have right here. All right. So let's go ahead and drill that little hole. Let's go ahead and put this on in here. I don't want to make that hole too big. Let's see about this 3.2. All right, let's go with the 3.2. What you do is unscrew the tip. 3.2 is my red one. Learned that from YouTube University. Screw this sucker on in there. Hand tight. Put the tip in there like that. Oh, you release it first. All right. Let's see. Hold it down. Push it in the hole. Apply pressure. Give it a couple of pumps. Bam. Look at that. Woo-wee. Yes. Nice and sexy. That's what I'm talking about. I did it. Can't believe I paid $40 the first time. That's just utterly ridiculous. All right, let's put this back in there. Now, since I got the can off, let's see if we can get a start up with the can off. Just see how loud my baby can get. Oh my Lord. Woo! Hurt my eardrums right there. Let's get that can back on her. Should I throw a little bit of anti-seize on there? A little copper anti-seize lubricant. Goes on nice and smooth. And the rest I'll rub in with my finger. Get it all up in there. All right, now let's put on the can. Put the mounting bracket on here. Come through here. Oh, this way. Put back on my springs. One right there. Now let's start her on up. Oh yeah. Sounds way better. Not so bitter and angry. She sounds in tune right now. All right, so now, if you didn't know, now you know.